Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back quickly. And here all we have to do is to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case, it is 2 hours and 9 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the camera, then settings, files, etc. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. So in order to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph or on the specific app. After tapping on inside the graph, you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, you can of course tap on them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using and the time you've spent on them. You can also change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. Moreover, you can tap on the specific app right here, so for example the camera, or right here. Choose it from the list, so for example this one, and after tapping you will be again transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. What I wanted to also show you is to how to limit the time you're spending on the screen. Under it, after scrolling down, you've got the ways to disconnect, and I will not explain all of them. I will focus on app limits and focus mode. So let's start with app limits. So let's pretend that I'm spending too much time on the camera. So what I have to do is to find it in this list, which is right here, and then tap on this hourglass icon. And that was a misclick, sorry. I did not want it to go back. The camera and tap on the hourglass icon. And now I can set the app limit. So, for example, I will set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After confirming it, it means that our device will activate the timer and I will be able to use the camera for only 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day. After the midnight actually, the device will reset the limit, and tomorrow again I will be able to use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, which is quite nice. But if you wish to completely block the app, you can set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, something like that. Confirm it by tapping on OK. As you can see, the camera is grayed out, and the same here. It doesn't look like before. And after trying to open it, our device will show us this pop-out window, and we've got the information that the camera timer ran out and it will start again tomorrow, but obviously we know that it won't start because we've set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. So I think obviously it is not the most efficient way to stop someone from using the app, but still it is one of the ways which might help to limit the usage, because obviously after tapping on settings you can remove the timer here, just tap on the trash bin icon, but if not, but I mean this is quite a nice idea to at least try to use it to limit the time. Okay, let me remove it quickly. And the other, oh my god, can I come back here? And the other thing which I wanted to show you is the focus mode. So I'm so sorry for all of those misclicks here. Let's tap on focus mode, and here we've got the list of apps again, and all we have to do is to basically select those apps which are distracting for us. So let's pretend that for me it's camera, Google, and calendar or calculator. Here we've got our distracting apps. Obviously you can use, for example, the social media apps or something like that. Here we can tap on set a schedule, and we can choose specific days of the week and specific time in which we would like to set the focus mode. So let me choose something like that and tap on set. And basically during the schedule your device will hide the notifications from those distracting apps. So obviously it will work the best with the social media or games or whatever, and thanks to it you will be able to focus on, for example, work or resting or spending time with your family or doing your homework or whatever you would like to spend this time on. So this is the second way to actually limit the time you're spending on the screen. At least you won't be distracted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.